Haier, the world's #1 freezer brand for the last 10 years, presents HCF 511 GTQ model of deep freezer. A perfect combination of technology, beauty and utility. This semi-curved glass-top freezer is ideal to display ice creams, frozen foods and dairy products. Unlike any other freezer, the Haier semi-curved glass-top chest freezer can display up to 24 flavors. The elegance of the design lies in the curve of glass that increases the angle of visibility. Unlike other freezers that come with flat glass, which decreases visibility, the semi-curved surface of Haier 511 GTQ makes the products on display look abundant in quantity and type, thereby increasing sale of displayed products. The toughened glass is protective against mechanical abrasions, dullness, scratches and dust. The freezer body comes with an anti-rust coating, which gives it a long life and protects it from rusting, weathering and corrosion. This freezer has end-to-end basket, which ensures complete display of your frozen foods and ice cream. The integrated door frame is sturdy and compact, providing smoothness during use. Unlike other freezers which have no special drain structure, Haier 511 GTQ ensures condensed water drainage from both sides of the freezer to keep the freezer moisture-free. Haier semi-curved glass-top freezer uses environment-friendly hydrocarbon refrigerant, having global warming potential close to zero. Hydrocarbon refrigerant R290 also ensures lowest power consumption in the industry. So next time when you buy a glass-top freezer, check whether it's hydrocarbon or R134A. Definitely, a hydrocarbon refrigerant would have a lesser load on your pocket in terms of electricity bills. This refrigerant also improves compressor reliability and increases energy efficiency, consuming less than 3 units per day, making it affordable and hence lesser recurring cost. Haier freezer uses molecular foaming technology that ensures higher PUF density, resulting in more cooling retention compared to other brands in case of power failure. The power-saving feature makes this freezer an affordable asset to your commercial space, with improved refrigerant, insulation and aesthetic design. HCF 511 GTQ comes with an extended warranty period of 5 years on compressor, which means that up to 60 months, the manufacturer will replace the compressor on FOC basis. The cost of maintenance of Haier freezers is lower than the others, which makes it a great choice for commercial use.